everyone! Today we're going to draw a cute little cupcake. I'm going to start with the frosting of my cupcake. So I'm actually going to start with the very top of it here. And then I'm going to come around this way. Then I'm going to draw a little bit more frosting. And I'm going to make sure I go 1, 2, and 3 bubbles across. From here, I'm going to draw the little base of my cupcake. So we're going to go down, we're going to go across, and then we're going to go down again. So I'm going to draw some cute little eyes on my cupcake. I'm going to make them nice and big and round. 1 and 2. And then I'm going to draw some little circles in the top right corner of my cupcake's eyes. And then some small ones here at the bottom. For my cupcake, I'm going to draw some cute little eyelashes. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 eyelashes. And then we're going to do the left eye. 1, 2, and 3. Next, I'm just going to draw a cute little smile. Ding! We're going to add some details after we finish coloring, but we are going to start to color. And you can color your cupcake whatever color you like. For me, I'm going to use this light pink color for my frosting, and then I'm going to make my wrapping blue. We're going to go ahead and speed up the coloring portion, so if you need to pause, feel free to do so. Next, I'm going to color the wrapper of my cupcake, and I'm going to use this blue color. Okay, great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a thicker black marker and I'm going to go over my outlines. I'm going to color in my eyes, and what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add just a few black lines along my wrapper. Okay, last but not least, I want my cupcake to have some cute little rosy cheeks. So I'm just gonna go in with my red and I'm just gonna draw some cute little rosy cheeks right below her eyes. And there you have it, a cute little sassy cupcake. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.